Hey guys! So we're going to start this video by talking about something called an indicator. So an indicator is just a chemical, and specifically it's a chemical that changes colors depending on the pH of the solution that it's in. So there's a lot of different kinds of indicators, and they change color at various different pHs. So I'm going to show you just a couple. This particular indicator is called phenolphthalein. So in the beaker right here is sodium hydroxide, which is NaOH, which is a base. And then this person is going to add some indicator that's called phenolphthalein. You can see the name phenolphthalein on this little bottle over here. It's got a really weird spelling. But phenolphthalein turns pink when it's in a base. So it's clear if it's acidic or neutral, but it's pink in a base. So when I push play here, you're going to see this person add the phenolphthalein, and then the solution is going to turn pink because it's basic. So there's the phenolphthalein, adding it to the sodium hydroxide, and notice we get a nice pink color. So that's one indicator. Let me show you a different indicator. So this shows an indicator called bromothymol blue, and the flask on the left that's yellow, that flask is acidic, and bromothymol blue is yellow when it's in an acid, and the flask on the right is basic. So bromothymol blue is basic, or when it's in a basic solution, it turns blue. All right, and there's a bunch of different indicators. Let me show you the types of questions you need to be able to answer with indicators. So you need to be able to answer questions that deal with charts like this one. So this chart lists a bunch of different indicators. So methyl orange, here's bromothymol blue, here's phenolphthalein, and then it tells you what color these indicators are when they're below this range. So for example, methyl orange is red when it's below 3.2, and then it's yellow when it's above 4.4. And then between those two numbers, it's going to change from red to yellow. So it might be kind of orange in that range, but it's going to change from red to yellow in that range. Again, let's look down here at thymol blue. Thymol blue is going to be yellow below a pH of 8 and blue above a pH of 9.6. So you just need to be able to read those charts and understand them and answer questions on them. So that's one part of the assignment. Hey guys, so we're going to just talk about a couple more things. First of all, let's just write down the definition for an indicator since we just talked about those. So indicators are chemicals that change color depending on pH.